Happy today we will see the exercise 2.2. Yesterday we have seen exercise 1.2.1. Today we will be seeing exercise 2.2. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 2.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the first question? The first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiplying the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? What is the number? Now, what we are going to find out, the number what we are going to find it out. The number we are going to find out. What is that number? Therefore, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Lastly, we will be getting what is the value of the x. The number is 3 by 4. Now, in the beginning, when we start, we have to take let the number be x. Let the number be x.
X.
Now, what is the first condition? If you subtract 1 by 2, subtract 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. Any doubt in this? X minus 1 by 2. The number is x. When we subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiplying the result, this is the result. This is the whole result. It is put it in the bracket. The whole result is put it in the bracket. That is being multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The result is 1 by 8. The result is 1 by
1 by 8.
Any doubt?
8.
Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
No, sir.
The number is x. You have to subtract 1 by 2. And after subtracting, you multiply this result by 1 by 2. Then the answer is 1 by 8.
8.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we go further? If anyone is having any doubt, stop me. Now, the number is x, subtracted 1 by 2 and multiplied by 1 by 2, the answer is 1 by 8. Okay? Now, I want to take this 1 by 2 to the right hand side. What 1 by 2 is doing there? 1 by 2 is what it is doing there.
Multiplying.
Therefore, if it goes to the other side, what it will do?
It will divide.
Divide means what you have to put?
Reciprocal.
That 2 by 1 will come. The 1 by 2, if it goes that side, it will become reciprocal in multiplication. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If the 1 by 2 is crossing the result, it will become the reciprocal. Therefore, 1 by 2 by 1. The 2 and 4 will get cancelled, therefore 4. Any doubt here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. I want only x here. I want to keep x here. I want to take this 1 by 2 to other side. What will happen? Minus 1 by 2 if it goes that side?
Plus 1 by
Plus
2.
1 by 2.
Any doubt
Plus
here?
1 by 2.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, all the denominators are equal.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What you have to do?
LCM. LCM.
What is the LCM of 4 and 2?
4. 4.
4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM.
LCM.
Therefore, this is already 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is there. Now you have to convert the decimal denominator into 4. When it will become 4? If I multiply by 2 by 2 by 2. Any doubt in this? Therefore, it will
No,
become
sir.
1 plus 2 by 4. Any doubt? Therefore, it will be 3 by 4.
4.
Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
What you have taken, let the number be x. That x is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, the number is 3 by 4. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubt? One by line, you have to follow me. If you follow me, the problems will be very, 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 very easy. Any doubt here? Anybody is having any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Ram Madhav, do you have any doubt? Ram Madhav, do you have any doubt in this problem? Aishwarya, Hema,
No doubt, sir.
Paraswarnimika, Jayant. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? Or shall I explain once again?
We can go to next problem.
Okay. Now second problem you see. You know what is meant by rectangle? Do you know what is meant by rectangle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the properties of rectangle?
Opposite sides are equal.
Very good. Opposite sides are equal. What is the area? Area of the
into B.
rectangle.
Occupies
L into B. What is the perimeter?
2 into L plus B.
2 into L.
L plus B.
Who has said 2 into L plus B?
Sir,
Who has said
Hemavati.
Hemavati. Hemavati is a good girl. She is doing meticulously following. Good. Now, what is given? Read the problem first. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. That is the rectangular, the perimeter. Perimeter is, we already know that it is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus
L
B.
plus B.
You see, 2 into L plus B. 2 into perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay. Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 54. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Any doubt? Now, next step. What is the condition is this? Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Go one by one. Length L is equal to 2 meters more. 2 meters more means add 2 meters. Any doubt? 2 meters
No.
more.
No,
Twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2 times of breadth. Twice its breadth. Length is 2 meters more than twice of its breadth. Twice of its breadth. Therefore, L is equal to 2b plus 2m. 2 meter. 2b plus 2. Therefore, what is written here? By condition, length is equal to twice of the breadth plus 2. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, what I am going to do, there are two variables. L is 1, B is 1. I am going to substitute in place of L, this value. Now, 2, L is, what is L? L is 2b
2B
plus.
plus 2.
I am not writing L, I am writing 2b plus 2. Any
2.
doubt?
No, sir.
But what is the other thing is plus,
B.
they are also 1b. 1b. Any doubt?
B.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Therefore, 2b is here plus 1b is here. What is the total b?
3B.
3B.
3b. Therefore, 3b has come here. The 2 is here. The 2 is outside. This is 154. This is 154. Any doubt?
No doubt.
No,
sir.
sir.
Now, what is the do 2 is doing here?
Multiplying.
Therefore, remove, come take this one. Divide. Multiplication will divide the other hand side. Therefore, what if you divide by 2? What will happen? The 7 2s are 14, 77. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now the 2, what it
No,
is
sir.
doing here? The 2 if it goes that side, what will happen?
-2.
Therefore, 77 minus
Minus
2,
2.
therefore 75.
75.
3b is equal to 75. B is equal to what that 3 is doing here?
Multiplying.
Then it will, what it will do?
Divide.
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 75 by 3, what is the answer?
25.
25.
25.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
No, sir.
No doubt.
So, now breadth is 25. Breadth is 25.
25.
Now what do we want now? Yeah, length we want. We want length. Also your find out. What is the length and the breadth of the pole? Length, breadth is 25. What is the length? Length here you see. 2b plus 2. Length is 2b plus 2. Now substitute length is equal to, in place of b, what we can put? 25.
25.
Okay. Okay. Now you see, in place of 2,
Sir,
yes.
I cannot see the screen, sir.
Sir,
Now you
I
are able to
cannot
see?
see the screen.
Are you able to see now?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now,
Okay. Okay. Now, in place of, now b is equal to 25, we have found out. B is equal to 25, we have found. Now, in place of b, you put 25. This is L is equal to 2b plus 2. This is, in place of b, you substitute 25. Therefore, what is the 2 into 25?
50.
Plus 2.
52.
Therefore, length of the pool is 52. Breadth of the pool is 25.
25.
Length of the pool is 52 and the breadth of the pool is 25.
25.
Any doubt
No,
in
sir.
this? Are you able to follow me, or shall I teach once again? Shall we go to the next problem, or shall I teach once again? Hello? I will
Sir, we
teach once
can go
again.
to next
Can go to
problem.
next problem.
No problem. No? We have already seen this problem. This is the second time you are doing the revision. Okay. Now, what is mean by triangle? Triangle is
3 sides.
3 sides equal.
three-sided figure. Three-sided figure. 3 triangles. Sides are equal bit. That is equilateral triangle. Now, in this problem, we are going to see one isosceles triangle. We are going to see one isosceles triangle. What is meant by isosceles triangle?
2 sides are equal.
See,
2 sides.
the two sides are
2 sides
equal.
are
Equal.
That this side
Equal.
is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. And base is given 4 by 3 centimeter. 4 by 3 centimeter. The triangle is 4 by 3
Centimeter.
Centimeter.
And the perimeter of the triangle. What is mean by perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle.
The side. The side.
Sum
The
of-
side of the
Sum of all the three sides.
sides.
sum of all sides equal to perimeter. Sum of all sides equal to perimeter.
Perimeter.
Now,
Perimeter.
base is given. Base is given. The base is given already 4 by 3 centimeter. Now, isosceles triangle means the sides are equal. These two sides are equal.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This side is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to this side. Now, suppose if I take this as x, what is the value of this side?
X.
X.
This also x. Now, we know perimeter means this side plus this side plus this side. The sum of all the three sides equal to perimeter.
Perimeter.
Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle is x plus x
X
plus 4
plus
by 3
X
plus
plus
4 by 3.
4 by
4 by
3.
3.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Therefore, x plus x, what is the answer? X plus x
2x.
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 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 4 into
4 2
2 by 15.
2 by 15.
From where we got this answer? 2 by 15.
Sum of the three sides.
The sum of
It is given in the perimeter.
The perimeter of the
Perimeter
triangle
is
is
2 by 15. Therefore, this is perimeter. This is the answer given in the question. Any doubt in this?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Now, keep 2x here. The 4 by 3, you take it outside, that side. Before that, you have to convert this one into improper fraction.
fraction.
Improper
How is that?
fraction.
4 2 by 15. How we can convert into improper fraction?
4 into 15
4
plus
into
2.
15 into 4
plus 2.
Therefore, what is the answer?
62 by 15.
Very good, very good, very good, student. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Therefore, 62 by 15. Therefore, this 4 by 3 will come this side. What will happen? 4 by.
Minus 4 by 3.
Minus 4 by 3.
Now, see, are the denominators equal?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, what you have to do?
Take LCM.
LCM 15 comma 3. 15 comma
3.
3.
3.
What is the
Three.
LCM? What is the LCM you can take?
3.
3.
15.
3.
3.
3.
5.
5.
1.
15.
Therefore, 15 is the LCM. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
15 is the LCM. Therefore, 15, 62 is available. I have to convert this also to 15. 5 3s are 15.
5 3 is
5
15.
4s are 20. Therefore,
20.
62 minus 20 by 15. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then 42 by 15. 42 by 15.
15.
And x is equal to
15.
that 2. What it will do? It will come and what it is doing?
2
Multiplying.
multiplied.
Therefore, what it will do?
It will
Divide. Divide.
Therefore,
Divide.
the 2 and 42 will get cancelled. What is the answer? 21.
21.
21.
And the 15 and 21 will cancel by 3. 7 3s are
7.
21. 7 by 5.
Yes.
Therefore,
21.
x is equal to what?
7 by
X
5.
is equal to 5. 7
7
by
by
5 centimeters.
Therefore, isosceles triangle, isosceles side is what?
7 by 5.
7
Two
by
sides
5.
are equal.
This is 7 by 5.
7 by 5.
And
This also 7 by 5.
7 by 5.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you
No,
clear?
sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we go to the next problem or shall I explain once again?
Next problem we can go.
next
Next problem you can go. Very good. Then fourth problem you see. Sum of two numbers is 95. Sum of two numbers is 95.
95.
One is exceeds the other by 15. What is mean by exceeds? Exceed means it is more. It is exceed means It is more.
More.
Find the number. Now, one number you take it x. One number you take it x.
Yes.
What is another number? Well,
X.
7,
Yeah.
7 plus 5 is equal to how much? 7 plus
7
5 is
plus
equal to
5.
12.
12. 12. Now, I am removing this 5. Let us see. I am putting, I don't know this number. I don't know this number.
Number.
How can I find out that number?
By putting X.
Yep.
By subtracting
By putting-
12.
12 and 7.
Therefore, the 7 will go that side. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7.
7.
7.
12 minus 7. Now,
7.
same way, this is 95. This is 90.
95.
5.
I know one number is x. What is this number? What I am supposed to do?
This
What
x
is
will
it?
go that side.
The x will go that side. What will happen?
Minus x.
Minus
Ah.
X.
X.
Therefore, what is the answer here? 95
9.
minus.
Minus X.
X.
Any doubt in this?
No,
If you
sir.
understand
No, sir.
this concept, then the problem is nothing. Once again, I will tell you. Let one number be x. Another number will be 95 minus x. Then only if you add both the things, it will become 95. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is it? What they are telling? The difference between this number and this number is 15. This number and the difference of the one number is exceeds the other by 15. Any doubt?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Now x is here. Minus into plus will become minus
Minus.
95. Minus into minus will become plus
Plus.
x. The x plus x, what will happen?
2x.
2x.
2x. The 95, where it will go? RHS. What it will become? Minus 95 will become?
Plus 95.
Plus
95.
95.
From plus 95 plus 15, what is the answer?
110.
110.
Then x is equal to what? The 2 what will do? It is not
Divide.
5. It is 2. It is 2. Okay. Therefore, 110 by 2, what will happen?
55.
Therefore, one number is 55. One number is 55.
55.
What is the other number? Another number is 95 minus 55 is equal to 40.
40.
Are
40.
you getting this? Are you? Yes.
Sir, you told divide by 2 only, sir.
Divide by 2. It is wrongly written. It is not 5.
Okay, sir.
Are you get? Okay.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting that
Yes,
one?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Not down. And in the notebook also you get it corrected. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I explain once again?
It-
One is x, another is 95 minus x. The difference is x minus 95 minus x is equal to 15. 2x minus 95 is equal to 15. 95 will go that side. It will be 110. It will be 110 by 2. Therefore, 55. Therefore, one number is 55. Therefore, another number is 95 minus 55 is equal to 40.
40.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No,
No,
sir.
Sir.
Okay. Another 15 minutes. Okay. Next is two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? What are the numbers?
Number.
Jayant is sleeping and listening this class. Jayant, sit properly. You are in the class. Okay. Let the two numbers be, if the ratio comes, the ratio comes, then what you have to put? You have to put
5x and 3x.
5x and 3x.
3x.
5x into 3x.
3x.
Therefore, it's not problem. Now, the numbers be 5x and 3x. They differ by 18. Therefore, 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. That's all. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18.
18.
Any doubt?
18.
Any doubt? Any doubt in this point?
No, sir.
5x minus 3x is equal to how much?
2x.
2x.
2x is equal to 18.
18.
18.
Therefore, x is equal to
18 by 2. 18.
Is equal 9.
9. X is equal to 9. We have found out x is equal to 9. But what we have taken here, let the numbers be 5x, 3x. In place of x, you put 9. 5 9s are,
45.
45.
therefore that number is 45. Another number is 3 9s are
27.
27.
27.
27. One number is 45. Another number is 27.
27.
45 minus 27 is equal to how much? 45 minus 27 is equal to 18.
18.
That's why they differ. They differ by 18 means we can check the number. We can check whether what is the difference is 18. That is given in your question. Now, any doubt in this fifth problem?
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
Whenever the ratios are given, we have to take it. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. Whatever the ratio may be, we have to put the x. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
The two numbers are 5x. One number is 5x. Another number is 3x.
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 Now, lastly, you have to substitute the value of x here. You should not forget. After finding that x, you have to substitute. Then you have to find the answer. That is a very, very important in this problem. Now, the difference is 18. Therefore, 5x minus 3x is equal to how much?
8.
2x is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to
X is equal to
18 by
18 by 2
is
2
equal
is equal
9.
to
equal
9.
to 9.
9 is not the answer. X is equal to 9, we got it. 9 is not the answer. What you have to do?
Multiply.
Substitute this value of x in the 5x and 3x. Therefore, one number is 5x, means 5 into 9 is equal to 45.
45.
Another number is 3x. 3 into 9 is equal to 27.
27.
Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Yes, sir.
having any doubt?
No, sir.
Why? No.
We.
Any doubt?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next problem, sixth problem. What is mean by consecutive integers?
Adding 1.
Adding 1.
Adding 1.
6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23. The next numbers are called consecutive numbers. Next numbers are called.
Consecutive numbers.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Consecutive numbers means the next problems, the numbers are called. Now, one number is x. What is the next number?
X plus 1.
1. Because 7 is next number is 8. 1 we are adding. 8 is next number is 9. 9 is next number is 10. Therefore, if you add 1, you will get the next number. Now, suppose the one number is x. What is the next number? X plus 1.
X plus
What is the
1.
next number? 3 number means x plus
X.
2.
X.
X, one number is x. Next number is I have to add 1. Therefore, x plus 1. Next number again I have to add 1. X plus 1 plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Let the
Yes,
three
sir.
consecutive numbers be. One is x, another is x plus 1, the third is x plus 2. The sum is 51.
X plus
The sum is 51.
51.
1.
Therefore, what is the equation? X,
X. X plus
x
X.
plus 1, x plus 2. The total is 51. The total is 51. Therefore, x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51.
51.
How many x are there? 1,
3x.
2,
3x.
3x. 3x plus 1 plus 2, how much?
3.
3 is equal to 51. The 3 will be taken that side. Therefore,
Minus
51
Minus
minus
3.
is equal to 48.
40.
What the 3 will do here? It will come and divide.
Divide.
X is equal to 48 by 3. Therefore, what is x?
16.
6 is equal to 16. The answer is not 16. You have to substitute here. Here all the things. One number is 16. What is the another number?
16 plus 1.
11, 17.
17.
Next number?
18.
Are you
6,
getting now?
8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the numbers are 16, 17, 18. The numbers are 16, 17 and 18.
18.
Any doubt?
No doubt,
No, sir.
Shall we explain once again? Shall we go through the problem once again? The consecutive numbers means x, x plus 1, then x plus 1 add plus 1, what will happen? X plus 1 plus 1, x plus
X
2.
plus 2.
The
X
sum
plus
is 7 is
2.
51. The sum is 51.
51.
Therefore, x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. Therefore, 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. 3x is equal to, the 3 will go to the right hand side and subtract. 51 minus 3 is equal to 48. 3x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 48 by 3 is equal to 16. Now, x is 16. What is the next number? Next number,
17.
next number is 18. Therefore, the numbers are
Hear your
16.
voice.
The numbers are 16, 17 and 18. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Shall
sir.
we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, the consecutive numbers will come. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. What is meant by multiples of 8? The multiples are 8. What is the next multiple of 8? 2 8s are 16.
16.
3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. They are called multiples of 8. Multiples of 8.
8.
Multiples of 8. Okay. Now 3 consecutive numbers like this. 16, 24, 32. They are 3 consecutive 8. Multiples of 8. Now let us see here. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be, one is x means what is the next number? You have to add on 8. You have to add another 8, 16. X, x plus 8 and x plus 16. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Multiples of 8 means 8. What is the next multiple? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 is the next number. 16 plus 8 is equal to 3 8s are 24. One more 8 if you add 4 8s are 32. If you add one more 8, 5 8s are 50. Therefore, one
50.
number is x means the next number will be x plus 8. X plus 8, another 8 will be added. Therefore, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Therefore, x plus 16. Any doubt in this? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Now, I will ask one more question. If I say it is multiple of 7, how we will take? Multiple of 7?
Sir, x
X.
plus
X is the
plus
one number. X plus 7 is the another number. Third number, x plus
8,
x plus.
14.
Excellent. Who is that?
Ram Madhav, sir.
Ram Madhav. Very good, Ram Madhav. Okay. Now, once again, I am telling. It is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. What is the first number?
X.
X.
What is the first number? Consecutive multiples of 4.
X.
X is the first number. What is the second number?
X plus
X
4.
plus 4.
Excellent. What is the third number?
X plus
X
8.
plus 8.
X plus 8. Are you getting now? What is the consecutive multiple of 8?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sum is 888. That is given. You see, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Therefore, x plus 8, x plus
X plus 16.
equal to 888. It's equal to 888. Now, x plus 8, x plus 16 equal to 888. 3x plus 24 equal to 888. The 24 will go that side.
Minus
Therefore,
24.
minus 24.
24.
Therefore, 864. 864.
64.
Now, what the 3 will do? It will come and divide.
Divide.
It will come and divide.
Divide.
Okay. Now, 864 divided by 3. Divided by 3. How we can do the division? Divided by 3. 8. How many 3s are there in 8?
2.
2 3s are
6.
2 3
balance.
6.
Balance.
2.
Balance 2.
Then the 6 will be taken 26. How many 3s are there? How
Sir,
many 3s are there?
24. In
8 3s are
7.
8 3s are 8 3s are
24.
what is the
24.
balance?
24.
What is the balance?
2.
Then again 24. Therefore another 8.
8.
8 3s are 24.
24.
What is the remainder?
0.
24.
Therefore what is the answer?
0.
288.
288.
288 is the first number. 288 is the first
First
number. What is the second number? What is the second number?
296.
296.
Why? You have to add
8.
8. Now what is the next number?
304.
304.
You have to add one more 8. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Who are all absent today?
Nikhilesh. Fasit.
Nikhil, Fasit,
Mahalakshmi.
Mahalakshmi,
Sasi.
Sasi,
Gautaman.
Gautaman, Gautaman, or Gokul.
8
Okay.
members absent, sir.
Only 8 are present.
8 members absent.
Sub.
Absent today, 8 numbers.
7 members present, sir.
Only 7 are present.
Yes, sir.
7 present, 8 absent.
Sabit also absent, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you very much. Nicely you have seen. Then we are having some more problem. That is eighth problem, 9th problem, 10th problem, 11th problem, 12th problem. See, tomorrow you may or may not have that. I will inform you whether it is there or not. Be available. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.